was vaguely aware of colonoscopies, but thought they were not related to me in any way because I was not interested and was too young. When I turned 50 and went to see my doctor, she came into the room with a smile and said, "Happy 50th birthday. Time for your colonoscopy." Then she had the nerve to say, "My nurse is scheduling it right now." I was horrified. I realized that a big part of my tremendous fear was that I had been sexually abused as a child. This meant that trusting some stranger who was going to invade me with a hose brought up the memories of being invaded as a child. The idea of being semi-conscious during the procedure didn't help. However, when talking with a nurse prior to the colonoscopy, she offered some medication to help me feel relaxed the night before and the day of the procedure. I was able to hang on to this plan and it worked out perfectly. The doctor found 3 precancerous polyps that she removed. Having gone through this process once and finding out that it wasn't so bad, I am no longer afraid. Since so many of us have been abused as children, I like to tell others about how I got through it, with the hope that they will find a way to get screened too.